Now today I'm going to show you how social media contests can do more than just giving away free stuff. In fact, social media contests are one of the best ways for you to increase your followers and your brand awareness. I'm going to show you 6 easy ways that you can promote your business with a social media contest. Let's get started. Number 1, promote your bestseller. If you already have a best-selling product in your store, then use that to help to promote your social media contest. Find a fan favorite and use it as the prize for your social media contest. What this does is, 1, instead of starting from scratch, you already have a demand for it, so you have contestants who are ready to enter. 2, think of it as a mini ad for your product. It's a way for you to expose your product and show the different features, why people love it, and what this product means to your customers. So if new customers see it or new followers, they can either A, enter your contest, B, share it with someone who's most likely to buy, or C, go directly to your website and make a purchase instead. And if you want to spice things up, find a best-selling product that's out of stock and offer it as a prize for your social media contest. I mean, if you found out that the product that you wanted was out of stock, but you could get it for free in a social media contest, wouldn't you enter?
Hey guys, if you'd like to watch the rest of this video or know more about this topic, feel free to watch the full video at SMX Growth Summit/replays. We have a wide variety of videos from 30+ social media marketing experts sharing their best kept secrets.